Good morning, students. Welcome back to the physics class. In this video, we are going to see how to solve the numericals based on concave mirror and convex mirror. First, we will start with the concave mirror. See here, this is the first sum. What is the sum given? Question given. Find the size, nature, and position of the image. We need to find out what is the size of the image form, what is the nature, whether it is a real image or virtual image, and where is actually the image form, behind the mirror or in front of the mirror, and at what distance. So find the size, nature and the position of the image when the object of size 1 centimeter, object की size कितनी है 1 centimeter, is placed at a distance of 15 centimeter from the concave mirror. Which mirror we are using? Concave mirror. And from the concave mirror the object is placed at 15 centimeter. Focal length 10 centimeter. The focal length of the mirror is 10 centimeter. So first we are going to start with the calculation of position of image, that is the image distance. Position of image, always remember, position of image means image distance we need to find out. And what do you mean by image distance? It is represented by V. So we need to find out V. Now what is given? In the given we know that object of size 1 centimeter, H, that is size of object, it is 1 centimeter. Now object distance, object is placed at 15 centimeter. So I have written U, that is object distance U is equals to minus 15 centimeter. Why I have written minus? Because object is always towards the left, and when we are calculating any distance towards the left, it is always negative. Focal length minus 10 centimeter. For concave mirror, focal length, focus point is present in front of the mirror, that is towards left, so again minus 10 centimeter. And V, that is all we are going to calculate. We are going to calculate this with the help of mirror formula, that is 1 upon F is equals to 1 by V plus 1 by U. Now we have the value of U and F, right? So put the value of U and F in this formula. 1 by V plus 1 upon minus 15 is equals to 1 upon minus 10. U minus 15 and F is equals to minus 10 here. When you will open this bracket, then plus minus will become minus. So 1 by V minus 1 upon 15 is equals to 1 upon minus 1 upon 10. Now what we will do? We will take this whole term towards right side. So 1 upon V is equals to minus 1 upon 10 plus 1 upon 15. Now what we are going to do? We will cross multiply, and after cross multiplication, what values you will get? 1 upon V is equals to 2 minus 3 upon 30. Or also you can solve this cross multiplication with the help of LCM method. Okay. Now when you will solve this, what you will get? 2 minus 3 is minus 1 and 30 here. So 1 upon V is equals to minus 1 upon 30. So what is V? V is equals to minus 30. So where is the object present? Where is the image present? The image is present at 30 centimeter from the mirror, right? And what is this negative sign represent? This negative sign represents that object is inverted, right? Or the object is present towards the left side of the mirror. And whenever the object is towards, that is in front of the mirror, then what is the nature of the image? If the image is formed in the front of concave mirror, it is always a real and inverted image. Now we are going to calculate the size of image. How to calculate the size of image? To calculate the size of image, always we will use magnification. Magnification formula is M is equals to H dash upon H, where H dash is height of image and H is height of object, is equals to minus V upon U. We have the value of V and U, so put those values. What values we will get? V value we have minus 30 and U is minus 15. So minus 30 upon minus 15, and this negative sign is here. Minus minus sign cut, 15 ones are 15 twos are. So M is equals to minus 2. So m is equals to minus 2. Now this, always remember that 2 means it is greater than 1, right? So the image will be larger than that of the object first. This negative sign, what do you mean by this negative sign? This negative sign represents that the object is inverted object. The image is inverted image. Sorry, image is inverted image. Always remember that if m is equals to plus 2, m is equals to minus 2, or m is equals to minus 0.5, then this represents the size, whereas this represents whether the object is inverted or object is erect. If it is plus, then it is erect, and if it is negative, then it is inverted image. Okay. So here if it is less than 1, then diminished image. If it is greater than 1, then it is enlarged image. Now see one of the question I have given over here. This you need to solve. So solve this question with the help of the above video. Another questions are also there. These questions were actually asked in the board. So I have given the solution. So let me explain this also. A 5 centimeter tall object is placed at 20 centimeter from a concave mirror of focal length 30 centimeter. Use mirror formula to determine position and size of the image. Now always try to make a ray diagram. Why? Because while solving the sum, if you use ray diagram, it puts an impression on the examiners. So from the question, we will write down the given data. HO means height of the object. See, 5 centimeter tall object. So what is the height of the object? 5 centimeter. Here I have taken HO and HI. Now is placed at 20 centimeter from the concave mirror. Concave mirror, always object will be at in left side, so it is minus 20 centimeter. U is equals to minus 20 centimeter. Focal length 30 centimeter, so F is equals to minus 30 centimeter. Now what you need to calculate? Position, that is image distance, and size, that is image height. So V is equals to question mark and HI is equals to question mark. First we will use mirror formula to calculate V. So 1 upon F is equals to 1 by V plus 1 by U. Now what we are going to do? We will take this. Now we will put the values. What we are going to do? As U is negative, so what we will do? So now we are going to solve with the help of mirror formula. C1 upon F is equals to 1 by V plus 1 by U, taking 1 by U this side. So we will get 1 by V is equals to 1 by F minus 1 by U. Right? 1 by V is equals to, what is the value of focal length? Minus 30 centimeters, so put minus 30. Minus this minus upon minus 20, the image distance, object distance, sorry, minus 20. So 1 upon V is equals to minus 30 minus minus plus 20. If you solve further, what you will get? V is equals to 60 centimeter. See, minus 20 plus 30 is 10, upon cross multiplying this both the terms 600. So V is equals to 60. Now how you are going to calculate size? M is equals to H1 upon Hi upon H0. Hi means height of image and Ho means height of object. This is also equal to minus V upon U. So minus sign is outside only. What is the value of V? 60. And what is the value of U? Minus 20. So I have written over here. Now what will happen? 21s and 23s are. This minus sign and this minus sign will cross each other. So m is equals to 3 centimeter, right? Now h1 hi upon ho. What is the height of object? 5 centimeter. See given over here. Ho is 5 centimeter. So hi upon 5 is equals to 3. Taking this side, you will get hi is equals to 15 centimeter. So image size is 15 centimeter, and where is the image present? 60 centimeter. Here no sign is there, no negative sign is there. It means it is positive. So object image is formed behind the mirror. Okay, this is behind the mirror. So the image will be enlarged as well as it will be virtual and erect. This is how you will be solving the sums related to concave mirror. The same concept is here for solving all the kinds of concave mirror, numericals based on concave mirror. Just what you have to do, you have to remember mirror formula. You have to write down given first, try to solve ray diagram, and then basis of magnification find out the nature of the image. Now next is we are going to solve numericals based on convex mirror. See here question is given. In the same manner only we are going to solve how we have solved the numericals based on concave mirror. In the same manner we are going to solve the numericals based on convex mirror. Only the difference is that here the ray in the ray diagram there will be convex mirror, and whatever the values you will get, that all the values will be positive, whereas in the case of concave mirror you may get positive as well as negative values. So now object 5 centimeter. So height of the object, that is h is equals to 5 centimeter, is placed at a distance of 10 centimeter. So object distance is, object is always towards left whether any kind of mirror. So u is equals to minus 10 centimeter from a convex mirror. So I have drawn convex mirror of radius of curvature 30 centimeter. Remember that for convex mirror the radius of curvature is always behind the mirror towards the right side. So radius of curvature is 30 centimeter. If radius of curvature is given, then I can find out focal length. F is equals, because it is half of radius of curvature, so F is equals to R by 2. So 30 by 2, 15 centimeter. Focal length I got 15 centimeter, right? Find the nature, position and size of the image. From this given data, we need to find out position, that is the image distance, size, that is the image height, and nature of the image, whether the image is virtual or whether the image is real. Remember that for convex mirror, always the virtual image is formed. So keep it in mind, make it a formula or make it a funda that whether when you are solving the questions of convex, always the nature will be virtual and erect. Now we will use mirror formula to find out the position. 1 upon f is equals to 1 by v plus 1 by u. What is the value of f? 15 centimeter. V we need to find out, and what is the value of u? Minus 10. So I have put those values. 1 upon 15 is equals to 1 by v plus minus 1 upon 10. Taking this whole term this side, what I will get? 1 upon 15 plus 1 upon 10 is equals to 1 by v. Solving this fractional addition, what I will get? Cross multiply it, 10 plus 15 upon 150, 25 ones are 25 6 are. So 1 upon 6 is equals to 1 upon v. So v is equals to 6 centimeter, right? V is equals to 6 centimeter. So the position of the image, So the position of the image is 6 centimeter away from the convex mirror, and the image is always formed in the convex mirror. Always the image is formed behind the mirror. Also here there is a plus sign and not minus sign. So if it is plus, always the image will be behind the mirror, right? If it is behind the mirror, the image will be virtual and erect, right? Now we will find out the size of the image. For that we need to use magnification formula. M is equals to minus v upon minus u, minus here put minus outside only, What is the value of V? We got 6 centimeter. Here say 6 centimeter, right? And what is the value of U? Minus 10 centimeter. So I have written minus 10 centimeter. This minus minus will get cancelled with each other here, and 2 3s are 2 5s are. When you uh, divide it, what value you will get? 0.6 meter. Now also the another formula of magnification is m is equals to h dash upon h, where is height of image upon height of object is equals to 0.6. This value we will keep over here. Now h dash, so we need to find out only, and 5 is the height of object, so keep it over here. Cross multiply it, what you will get? The height of object, that is 0.6 into 5 is equals to 6 5s are 30, one decimal point, so I have put one decimal point over here. So height of the image is 3 centimeter, because any values after, if it is a zero value after point decimal point, then it is cancelled. Now the size of the image is 3 centimeter. So the image is 3 centimeter long. It is present behind the mirror. It is virtual and erect. This is how you will solve the sums related to convex mirror. I hope you all are clear with the concept of solving the sums. I have given the worksheet with the message in the WhatsApp group. Please solve those worksheet questions, practice question, because those are going to help you out for the board sums. Thank you.